Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to stop YouTube from crashing. So in this video, I will teach you method for iPhone and Android as well as. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, if you are on the Android phone, this method is for you. You have to open your Play Store and right here you have to search for the YouTube. And once you will do it, here you will see update button. Simply you have to click on this update button. After that, go back and tap a while on the YouTube application. Click on the info. Now you have to click on the storage and the cache, and from here you have to click on the clear cache and try to open your YouTube or use your YouTube. And if you are on the iPhone, simply you have to open your Apple Store and you have to search for the YouTube and update your YouTube application and try to fix it from crashing. So this is the ways. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.